I'm Joan, a natural cosmetic formulator, aromatherapist, and herbalist, and I'm an instructor at Joan Morace Cosmetic School and the Formulators Lab. This is part 3 of the 4-part series, and I want to share with you my top essential oils for skin. These are my top essential oils for skin. I've worked with essential oils for the skin and in cosmetic formulation for over 20 years, and I use them daily on my own skin. I know the power of essential oils. They're very potent. They're so concentrated that you don't want to overdose essential oils. Just a little is very beneficial for the skin, and that's part of the problem why people can have sensitivities to it, is because they are put into high dosages in skincare formulations, and also because certain essential oils oxidize quickly, like citrus essential oils oxidize quickly. Some people will tell me I can't use essential oils. It's because they could have had some skin sensitization from an oxidized citrus oil or a formulation that was dosed too high in essential oils. Some people are sensitive to essential oils, just like we all can be sensitive to any kind of ingredient. So let's start with these and why I picked them. The most expensive here is Roman chamomile. I like a lot of the more luxury expensive essential oils, but I didn't want to share them here because I want to share more affordable ones. But why I left Roman chamomile, even though it's expensive, you don't need a lot of it, so it will last you a while. Roman chamomile is this beautiful essential oil, and it's a good anti-inflammatory for the skin. And also I look at like what essential oils can have a synergy together, and the aroma will be nice. When you start out blending, that's the trickiest part, is having an aroma that smells good. And Roman chamomile, when you pair it with other essential oils, it will do that. It's a nice smell, but it helps to soothe and relax and calm the nerves. So it's good for most skincare, and it's really good for dry skin, oily skin, sensitive skin, and combination skin. And refer to our blog for all the specs on the essential oils. And then cypress, it's antiseptic, it's astringent, so it's balancing, it's calming. So it's really good for acne, oily skin, mature skin. Frankincense, it's this jewel of essential oil for the skin because it helps to promote tissue formation, encourage growth of skin cells. It prevents tissue degradation, it's soothing, it's calming, and this is good for most skincare: dry skin, mature skin, combination skin, oily skin, wrinkles, acne. Rose geranium, it's uplifting and balancing for the skin. So the sebum of our skin, if it's out of balance, if it's too oily or it's too dry, rose geranium is excellent for that. And it's regenerative for the skin. And it's good for most skincare, including dry skin, oily skin, mature skin, congested skin, inflamed skin, acne. Lavender is that all around excellent essential oil that's good for pretty much anything. It's an anti-inflammatory, it's soothing, it helps to calm and relax, and it's antiseptic, and it has excellent regenerative properties and really can help to heal the skin quickly. And this is good for most skincare, and even dry skin, oily skin, sensitive skin, combination skin, mature skin, and acne. This is red mandarin, and it's used on children because it's so gentle, and it has this uplifting scent, and it's balancing and calming and soothing, and it can be used for most skincare and even prevention of stretch marks and even acne and oily skins. Palmarosa is that essential oil that gives you a lot of benefits for your money. It's relaxing, it's soothing, refreshing, hydrating, antiseptic. It balances the sebum, and it's regenerative for the skin. And it can be used for most skincare: dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, mature skin, acne. And then ylang ylang. There's different distillations of ylang ylang, and we all kind of have a preference for which ones we kind of like the aroma better and how it is in a cosmetic formulation. Many times I like ylang ylang complete. Some ylang ylangs, they can be a little bit sharper, but as long as you blend it, it kind of can pull that sharpness down. But even extra is nice, and a lot of it depends on the source that you're getting from and the season, because it will smell differently. And ylang ylang, it is another one, is so balancing for the sebum, and it's soothing, it's softening, it's a skin tonic. So it can be used for most skincare, especially combination, dehydrated skin, dry skin, oily skin. All of these are pretty mild on the skin. I want to show you how you can easily blend essential oils and put into your skincare formulation. So take cypress. Cypress goes really well with lavender, and you can blend these two together, and it makes a really nice for most skin types that you can use. And then you can do rose geranium and lavender. These two complement each other beautifully. Rose geranium and Roman chamomile are beautiful together. Mandarin can go with all of these. And let's see, Pomarosa goes good with rose geranium, and you could put a little lavender in there. Ylang ylang is beautiful with lavender. It's also beautiful with mandarin, and you could even put with Roman chamomile. The easiest way to come up with a scent and learn about how to blend an essential oil is just to drop the drops by hand. Once you have your cosmetic formulation, you do want to weigh the essential oils to be consistent. But I just want to show you how easy it is just to do by drops, so that you can then put some into your own skincare formulations. So we'll do the cypress and the lavender. And you'll see these have orifices. They come out at different speeds. So I take them off with like this, with a paper towel. And we're going to do 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't want to leave this in here because it can tip so easy. I have spilled so many different essential oils that way. And you always want to hold it in your hand and then put the cap on it. You can put the orifice on later. And the lavender, take the orifice off. And the lavender, we're going to put 6 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this makes just a really all around nice blend for skin. And as far as how much do you know to put into your skincare formulations, you can refer again to our blog because we have all those measurements up there. But generally, you're going to put about not more than 1/4%. Many times I don't even put 1/4% into the formulations. Whether it's an ounce or 30 grams, sometimes I will only put 2 drops. Sometimes I will put 3 drops. I keep it at a minimum, and you can kind of read more about that for dosage. For the facial skin, do not overdose with essential oils. But these are my favorite essential oils that I use quite regularly in skincare formulations. In part 4 of this series, I'm going to share with you 4 products that you can easily make and customize for your skin type to promote radiant skin.